Good morning, students. Welcome to the e-learning class of IT. I hope all of you are well. I am Snigdha, your IT teacher. Today, we will discuss the question answers. What we have discussed in this chapter, data entry tools. So, all of you open your book, page number 174. Okay, so I will tell you the question answers. You just write down in your book, and after that you write in your computer IT copy. Okay, so let's start. I am dictating the question answers and fill in the blanks. So you write down in your copy. Okay, so let's start. So fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The keys with the letters A, S, D and F are present on the dash hand side of the keyboard. So it will be left hand side. Okay. So A, S, D, F are present in keyboard on the left hand side. Okay. Number 2. The dash mouse operation is used when a certain text needs to be edited. So the answer will be blocking. So the blocking mouse operation is used when a certain text needs to be edited. Okay. Now number 3, the dash key should be pressed to create a new line. So when you will press the enter or return key, then the cursor will move to the next line or new line. Okay. So the answer will be enter or return. Right. Next, number 4, a numeric keypad. A numeric keypad has dash columns and dash rows are there. Dash rows. So, answer will be 4 columns, 5 rows. Okay, 4 columns, 5 rows. Again, I am telling. First one will be the keys with the letters A, S, D and F are present on the left hand side of the keyboard. Number 2, the blocking mouse operation is used when a certain text needs to be edited. Number 3, the enter or return key should be pressed to create a new line. Number 4, a numeric keypad has 4 columns and 5 rows. Now answer in brief. Question number B. What is the function of the Alt key? You move to the page number 167. Okay, there you will get the answer. Page number 167, that is Alt key. Second one you see Alt key. It is a short form for alternate. Okay, it is a short form of alternate and it is a modifier key. I have told you, discussed all these keys, and you don't see or learn only that these questions. All keys you have to learn, all chapter, because from the chapter, within the chapter, the questions will come in half yearly. Okay, so read the chapter thoroughly. So the Alt key, which is a short form for alternate, is like a second control key. It helps to change the function of other pressed keys, and hence it is also called modifier key. I have told you modifier key because it is pressed with another key, like Alt F. Alt F is for opening a new file. So in this way, Alt is the modifier key. Okay. Similarly, CTRL, I have told you, that is also a modifier key, because that key is also pressed with another key. Next question. How is the drag and drop mouse operation performed? So this one will see page number 171. Drag and drop 171, the first line you see. This action helps to select and move an item from one location to the other. Drag and drop means drag the mouse, means pulling the mouse. okay, and release your finger. Press your mouse, left button press on your mouse and drag it and release your finger. That is drag and drop. So to do so, position the mouse pointer on an item, then press the left button and hold it. Move the object to the desired location and then release the left button. Okay, so this action is called drag and drop method. Clear? Okay, so these two questions are here. Similarly, what is the function of a scroll button or blocking? Blocking means in fill in the blanks I have seen, that is when we want to edit or format the text, then we use blocking. That means selecting the text, specific text, which one we want to edit or which one we want to format. That text only we have to select. That is blocking, means block the text, selected that text. So for that, first which text you want to select, come to the beginning of that text and then up to where you have to format or edit the text, up to where from that position, that end position, you drag your mouse. Okay, so that is called, and then release your finger. So this is called blocking text. Okay, and then you can, after selecting, you can see the highlighted, that text is highlighted. So now you can format the text or whatever. If you want to edit the text, then also you can do that. So that is blocking of text. Then what is the function of right click, then double click, single click? Okay, then what are the different positioning of the monitor? How will you position your hand on mouse? How will you hold the mouse? What are the easy steps to use keyboard? Easy tips. Or you can see the questions may be like home keys means what? Like at the beginning of typing, when the user keeps your finger on the keyboard, then the position is called home keys. That position where the fingers or left hand and right hands will be, that is home key. Like left hand side ASDF and right side JKL and semicolon. Okay, so that is home keys. Then what are the guide keys? Guide keys means F and this side J. So somehow these two keys are raised key. Okay, in minus sign you can, or dash you can see. So because it guides the fingers, that's why this is called guide keys. Okay, somewhat it is raised, that dash or minus. So that is F and J. So these two keys are called guide keys. Why it is guide key? Question may be asked, why it is called guide keys. Next is how will you type the capital letter. Then suppose capital letter is on, and if your shift is, caps lock is on, and you are pressing shift and any key, then what will happen? So what will happen if caps lock is on and you are pressing shift and any other key, then it will just reverse. Means if caps lock is on, then what will happen? Any key when you will press, then it will come in for capital. But when you will press the shift and key, then it will give a small, that is reverse of the capital. Similarly, if caps lock is off and you are pressing shift and any other key, then what will happen? So it will type a capital letter. So that is the function of caps lock, shift keys. Then how will you type the sentences? Okay, so how many rows and columns are in numeric keypad? What is the use of numeric keypad? So this pointing device, give some examples of pointing devices, like joystick, that is also a pointing device. Then mouse. Then you have seen in your smart board light pens are used, you have seen that. So that is also a type of pointing device. Okay, so then mouse, how many keys are there in a mouse, what is the function of a scroll button in mouse. So these are the different questions may be asked. So read the chapter thoroughly. Okay, so next day we will see the next, that is session 2, using typing software. So there we will see rapid typing software, the details about this software. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.